Okay, so it will satisfy this equation. So it becomes, value of y becomes minus 11 upon 2. So coordinate of this point 0 comma y becomes 0 comma minus 11 upon 2. Clear? Now this green line whose equation we have to find out, that green line passes through 2 points 1 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 11 upon 2. So we have got 2 points by which this line is passing through. So we can easily calculate the slope, okay, by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, minus 11 upon 2 minus 4, 0 minus 1, or you can use the either way, okay, 4 minus 11 upon 2, so minus minus becomes plus, 1 minus 0. Clear? Slope becomes 19 upon 2. And this line will pass through point 1 comma 4. So it is x1 y1, x1 is 1, y1 is 4. So we'll use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll substitute the values and we'll get the equation. Clear? Moving on to the next question. It is A and B are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis. First of all, A and B are on the x-axis and y-axis. Coordinate of A will be equal to what? Because it lies on x-axis, so coordinate will be x comma 0, and B lies on y-axis, so its coordinate will be 0 comma y. Because if it lies on y-axis, abscissa will be 0. It lies on x-axis, its ordinate will be 0. Now they have said that P is midpoint of AB. Okay, so P is midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB will be equal to what? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. X plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 2 comma 3. Is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Are you getting it? Minus is missing here. Minus have to be here. So value of x becomes 4 and value of y will become minus 6. This is all right. Value of y becomes minus 6. Clear? So point A becomes 4 comma 0. Point B becomes 0 comma minus 6. Clear? We need to find out the equation of line segment AB. Old method. We'll calculate the slope and by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and then because line segment AB passes through point 4 comma 0, so x1 y1, x1 is 4, y1 is 0, and we'll use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll get the equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. Clear? Now moving on to this question. Question number 33, it says that write down the coordinates of the point P that divides the line joining A and B in the ratio 1:2. See, you have done this question in section formula. It is not very clear here, but if you will zoom, maybe you will be able to see it. AB, coordinates of A minus 4 comma 1 and B is 17 comma 10. x1 y1, x2 y2. Point P is lying here. Its coordinates I have assumed as x comma y, and ratio is 1:2. That means m1 is to m2. m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Clear? So we'll use the formula x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. If m1 is 1, then x2 we have to take, x from this side we have to take. So 1 into 17 plus 2 into 1. Are you 2 into minus 4? Clear? Divided by 1 plus 2. Likewise, y also. We'll use this formula and we'll get the coordinates of x and y. 3 comma 4. Now we know what is the coordinate of point P. Clear? Then they are asking, find out the length OP if O is origin. Then we'll use the formula under root distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So it is or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. It is under root 25. It has to be taken positive because it is length. Fine. 5 units. Now they are saying that a point Q lies on, I'll read the question. In what ratio does the y-axis divide the line segment AB? In what ratio does the y-axis divides the line segment AB? If line segment AB is this, okay, and y-axis divides it. So I have taken intersection point of y-axis and AB is Q. Its coordinates will be 0, y because it lies on y-axis. So abscissa will be 0. Clear? We have to find out the ratio. M1, M2 we have to find out. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x. X is 0. Y is unknown, but we will use x to calculate M1 is to M2. So formula x, we will calculate only x. We need not to calculate y. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Clear? M1 M2 we do not know. X is 0 and x1 x2, if I see here, okay, if I am taking M1, then x should be taken from this side, so 17. M1 into 17 plus M2 into minus 4. Clear? And if we will do cross multiplication, this becomes 0. M1 17 minus 4 M2 is equal to 0. And M2 will be transferred this side, 17 will go that side. So it becomes 4 is to 17. Clear?